Okay, let's start. First of all, what we have to do is Shift A, so import the plane, enter tab mode, scale it up. Then after scaling, I think what we have to do is subdivide it. So after subdividing, I think I'm using 100 cuts. Yeah, 100 cuts should be enough for this. So after that, I want to import my FBX working animation. Where is it? Okay, this is here. Okay, I'm sorry, my file is not going to show because I'm hiding some file, but it's going to import. If you want to download the working animation, you can always go to mixamo.com to download a working animation, then you import it. I think when you download this, go to download in either FBX or OBJ. So then you import it. Okay, here is my own working animation. As you can see, it's very big, so I think I just have to scale it down. Here is the working animation. Okay, so the next thing for me to do now is to scale it down. I'm going to try and scale it down now. Okay, I think it's still a little big. Let me just scale it down a little bit so it can fit the skin. Okay, I think this is enough. So now next thing for me now is to do is, I think I'm just going to drag it back, backwards here. Then because you want the working animation to walk over this floor so we can see the snow trails. Okay, I think the next thing for me to do now is to let me see if it's gonna work. Let me say, oh shit, my bad. No, this is not it. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let me just go back. And okay, go back to frame one, delete that. Okay, I think I'm just going to use an empty to move this. So just press Shift A, empty, import a cube. I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, so then select the bone, the cube, Ctrl P. I'm going to parent it. So now I think I'm just going to animate the empty so our character can move forward. So that's the easiest way we can do it now, because this is just a simple tutorial on how to move it forward. So now we go to frame 233. I think 233 is okay. I'm going to drag it forward. Then okay, now let's see. Okay, I think this is a little bit better. Oh shit, character stop working. Okay, let me just go there and duplicate this, Shift D, then drag it forward so to be a bit longer. Okay, I think this is enough. Now let's try it. Okay, I think this is okay. This is enough. So now I'm going to try and add a dynamic paint brush, because the character is going to be a brush. While the ground, I think the ground is just going to be, let's just hit ground, dynamic paint. It's going to be in Canva. Then I think you add brush. Yes. Okay. Then for the Canva, add the Canva, go down, change the paint to waves. Then the time scale is 0.001 and the speed also 0.001. Okay, now let's play out my animations and let's see how it goes. I'm trying to set the scene up so you can see it clearly. Okay, now let's press play. Okay, as you can see, the floor is not really, I don't think our mesh is really subdivided already, so I'm going to just add more subdivision to it so that it's going to be a little bit clear so you can all see it. Okay, so I'm going to add subdivision. Okay, I've added the subdivision therefore. Now let's see. As you can see now, the part is really showing on the plane. Can you see? One. So now you can always do this with any animation, but it just depends on your system that you're using, because it's going to make your system lag if you're using a system without a good GPU. Okay, I think this is good. Let's just share this smooth and let's see how it is. Okay, I think we just have to like recalculate it again. Press, go back to the frame 1 and then play it again. Yeah, I think this is nice. This is nice. So it's nice this way. So now I think all we just have to do now is just to add our materials to the ground and then create your scene. I think these have helped a lot. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. Okay, so guys, thank you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.